Step Recorder is a built-in functionality of Windows powered by Microsoft. It is solving one of the common problems, which is to do the documentation or provide the step-by-step guide or get the troubleshooting done. So I'll show you how you can get started with it and how you can start using it. If you log into Microsoft Windows, of course, you can search for Step Recorder. So Step Recorder is a utility which is available. By the way, you can also open this in Run, type PSR. So it will also open the step recording. Once you are ready to start your recording, so you will just click on start recording. Now, for example, I'm making a tutorial to explain how to create a virtual machine in Proxmox. So what I'll do, so I will click on here, create VM. So I'll provide a name called test, click next. So I will go for next step, click next, system, click next, disk, click next, and here is the confirmation. Now, if I stop this now, so what it is going to do, it is going to have a complete step-by-step guide here. So you can see here, it has recorded all the steps. Of course, it has taken my entire screen where I'm recording as well, but it has selected the one which I have been working on. So what is the step? So step 1 is use the left click on Protectly Proxmox virtual environment. So additional comments can be added over here, and whatever more comments are there, so you can add these comments. And once you are done with it, you can just simply save it as a zip file and, for example, test, and that's it. So now the complete step-by-step guide is now prepared, and then these are all the steps which are available here. This will be helpful for task mining, process mining, and it is also helpful for documentation, step-by-step guide, troubleshooting. So this is the way you can use it. Of course, if you don't want to add the screenshots, so you can go to settings and you can say no to the screen capture, and it will not record the screen captures. It will only record the steps. But of course, it is best to record the screen captures also. And I will highly recommend to use a single screen for this. Otherwise, it will take all the screens together. So this was all about using the step recorder in Microsoft Windows. This is a pre-installed software which is available in Microsoft Windows. So hope you like this video. Let's continue to next video now.